In this video, I'm going to show an example and explain how I get light fixtures quoted. The plan on the screen here is a small commercial project with several light fixtures. Now, this is perfect for my example. When you're actually doing light fixture takeoff, there could be pages and pages or hundreds and hundreds of fixtures. Now, the method I'm showing you is what I use for smaller projects, okay, with just a couple hundred light fixtures maybe. So again, we see the plan here and there's different fixture types. Let me blow it up slightly here. There we go, I'll zoom in. We see fixture types D, the capital letters are the fixture types. Fixture types D here, there's some fixture A's. We see the fixture type C that looks like a track light. Now I happen to know that these track lights are 6 foot long, so there'd be one here and two put together here. You can see that little bump there and indicates that they're joined together. And I'm going to show you next, I'm going to show you the light fixture schedule. This is the light fixture schedule of this project, of the estimate, or I should say of the plans that I just showed you. It shows the fixture types down the left-hand side column, fixture type A, B, B, E, and so on. It shows how they're mounted, the manufacturer catalog number, the lamps, and remarks. Now, long story short, rather than type up all these details, what I did was I went to the blueprints, which were a PDF document or an electronic document. And what I did was I copied this light fixture schedule off of a page of blueprints. Now, I'm not explaining how to do that. You can look that up online, but that's what I did. I actually, when I'm actually doing fixture takeoff, I actually print this out. I have it on my desk next to the blueprints, so I can just at a glance see the fixture types. Now, here's what I'm going to explain. When you're estimating commercial projects, you want to get your light fixtures quoted in a lot price. What I mean by that is when you show the total count of all these light fixtures, your wholesale house or light fixture vendor should give you one price for all the fixtures. It's called a lot price. Now, let me go back to the plan. I'll just explain more. So as I explained, I print out the fixture schedule. I count all the different types of light fixtures. And when I'm done, I'm going to show you an example how I actually write the quantity of the light fixtures on the fixture schedule. Let me show you that. So I count all these light fixtures. When I'm counting these fixtures, I usually use I should say commonly use a highlighter, and I highlight each fixture different colors. I go through here and count all the fixture A's. I might highlight them yellow, count the fixture B's, might be blue, and so on. Doesn't matter what colors you use, but when you get into bigger sets of drawings with lots and lots of light fixtures, I like to see a contrast on the different fixture types by color. Okay, now I'm going to jump back to, I'm going to show you an example of how I actually wrote the quantity of fixtures right on the fixture schedule. So again, what I did was when I did the final count, again, this is a very small project. When I did the final count, I actually wrote the quantities of the fixtures here. Now these track lights, there's actually two components here. There's the actual track as shown here, and there's the track heads, the actual fixtures on the heads. So I showed the number of tracks and the number of track heads right there by C, okay, type C. So again, I just write this on here. Now, something that you didn't see me do behind the scenes is I use an app called Scan Pro, okay? I have an app on my cell phone, my Apple cell phone, where I can actually take a picture of this light fixture schedule, which I did. So I wrote on the total quantity of fixtures. I copied this with my Scan Pro app and emailed it to myself. Now, what I usually do is I'll put the quantity in, I'll copy it with a Scan Pro, it converts to a PDF. I end up emailing a copy to myself, and then I forward it to the light fixture vendor for a quote. Okay, so that's what I wanted to explain to you. It's real simple. Now, even if there were 30 or 40 different light fixtures on here or more, let's say the whole page was filled up, I would do it this way. Okay, hope that helps for taking off fixtures and getting quotes.